Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zidni Ilman bin Danuri from DJK2A. My number metric is 09DJK20F2012. Today, I would like to talk about definition of area, volume, and integration. Firstly, area is refer to the region covered by the object, and then volume is refer to the quantity or capacity of the object. And then lastly, integration. Integration basically used to find the areas of the two-dimensional region and four computing volume and three-dimensional object. Therefore, finding of a function with respect to the x refer to finding the area of the curve with respect to the x-axis. Okay, next, what are the application of integration? Application of integration. Definite integrals can be used to find the area under a curve. They can also be used to find the area between two curves. To find the area between two curves, defined by function, integrate the difference of the function. Okay, this is the example for area between the curve line for x-axis, and then the formula is A equals integrate BA fx dx. Okay, next, this is the example for area between the curve line for y-axis, and the formula is area equals integrate BA fy dy. Okay, next, this is the area between of the curve and the line for x-axis, and the formula is integrate BA fx minus gx dx. Okay, the last one is area between the curve and line for y-axis, and the formula is integrate BA fy minus gy dy. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Abdullah from DJK2A. My student ID is 09DJK20F2013. So today I would like to talk about the application of integration in life. So more accurately, I would like to talk about the work-life integration. So the main topic I have choose in work-life integration is integration in agriculture. So integration in agriculture, it means to combine the system of conventional and the system of organic production together. It is also an attempt to balancing the environmental quality and to make a better economic profit. For example, let's say in middle school grade, we learn about the compost system, or more accurately, compost technique. Compost techniques originally come from organic farming system. So in organic farming system, farmers mostly use plant waste as the fertilizer. But in the integrated farming system, the farmer use both the conventional farming system and the organic farming system, which is they use the synthetic fertilizer and the plant waste. They combine together and they use it as the common fertilizer. But that's not all. In integrated agriculture, they also have integrated crop livestock farming system. So in this system, they use the crop and livestock enterprises to efficiently recycle nutrient. That means in the system, they use it to promote the crop rotation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Haikal Hamidi. My registration number is 09DJK20F2008. Okay, now from this equation, we need to make a table before we sketch the graph. Okay, for the first column we state as y, and this as x. Same with this, y and x. For the scala we choose 0 to 1 to 0 to -2. Same with here. Now to fill the table, we need to use the function calculation. Okay, I just show the example here. We just need to press 2 alpha y power of 2 and -4. Calculate. Okay, we put -2, -1 until we put 2, and we will get the, okay, for -2 we will get 4, and for -1 we will get -2. Okay, to sketch the graph, we need to make the y-axis and x-axis. Okay, x-axis. Okay, to put the scale, we need to refer from the table. For example, like for axis y, 0 until 2, 0 until -2. So we put here 0, 1, 2. For here, for x-axis, we need to make 1 until 7. We get this, the scale and the axis. Now it's time for us to plot the graph, okay, based on this table. So for axis y, -2. For axis x is 4. So where is -2? Here is -2. And where is 4? So here is 4. Okay, so here the first point plot. And second, y for -1 and x for -2. So where is -1 for y? So here the -1 for y. And where is the -2 for x? So here is the second plot. Okay, we just continue the same step, and we will until we finish plot the point by the table. And now we get the point, and we just sketch the graph. Okay, not just that, we also use the same step for us to sketch the graph and plot the point by using this table. Okay, after we get the graph, and we need to find the area by here. The formula is A equal to integration AB bracket f x minus g x bracket dx. So from here we need to intercept. Okay, so to y power of 2 minus 4 equal to 5 minus 3 y power of 2. So we need to rearrange this, and power of 2, and we will get 5y power of 2, and -4 equal to 5, and we will get -9 equal to 0. So here we need to use calculation EQN degree 2 to find the intercept. Okay, to use calculation, first of all we need to choose EQN degree 2, and for A 5, B 0, C -9. Okay, this intercept will be a limit for our integrations. So we put A integrations. Okay, for the A, -1.342 and 1.342. To y power of 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus 3y power of 2 dy. 5y power of 2 minus 9 1 3 2. Okay, we need to after we get this, we need to differentiate. Okay, for differentiate is plus 1 2 plus 1, so we get 5y power of 3 per 3 negative minus 9 1.342 negative 1.342. We need to put this value into the y, so we just use function calculation to find the value. And first we need to do like, okay, after using the function calculation, and we get the answer here, negative 8.05. Okay, don't forget this is the minus 8.05. Here after we do this, we'll get the answer negative 16.1. Okay, don't worry, for the area, negative will change and be positive. For the final answer is 16.1 unit. That's all.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zulfiqri bin Ibrahim, Normatric 09DJK20F2016. In conclusion, what I get in the integration, I have been able to reach the solution of the different method used. Each of the method brings a simple and clear way thus can be used for practical data. Furthermore, with table and figure, I have been able and compare the actual data with the predict data. The analysis of different countries that are less developed has given an overview of how overpollution will cause severe problem. For example, instability, showing the country development, the viscous poverty circle, pollution and environmental degradation. Using the technique above, I have been able to predict population size with and without family planning. For example, I analyze the family planning policy in China and evaluate how it has advantage help China in this development and poverty reduction. Therefore, it will be true if I say that after the developing and underdeveloped country deserve to improve on the implementation of the family planning rule in the order to reduce the negative impact of massive population that has affect our world. This project can therefore be viewed as a scientific effort to make sure and manage population growth in the current world setup. It can also help struggling or developing nation adopt some of the method displayed above the improve their social and economic status.
So the purpose of using integration is a way of adding slices to find the whole. We use integration to find the areas, volume, central point and many useful things, and a non-uniform curve with some given function. Thank you.
The Q&A of integration is, what is the use of integration in real life? In real life, integration are used in various fields such as engineering, where engineers use integral to find the shape of building. In physics, used in the center of gravity etc. In the field of graphical representation, where three-dimensional models are demonstrated.